Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting to solve today is number 1732, find the highest altitude. So just going to read through the spec here. There is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n+1 points at different altitudes. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude 0. You're given an integer array gain of length n, where each value in gain is the net gain in altitude between points I and point i+1 for all points 0 through n-1. Return the highest altitude of a point. So gain is -5, 1, 5, 0, -7. So it goes down -5, then it goes up 1, taking him to -4, then up 5, taking him to 1, and then it stays at 1, and then it goes down by 7. So the highest is 1. So constraints, each altitude gain is between -100 and 100. And there's going to be between 1 and 100 different altitudes. So, just going to go over to my notes here. I think this is going to be as simple as iterate through changes. Then we're going to keep a track of current highest altitude. And update if needed, and then we will just return the highest altitude. I don't think this is going to be very difficult. Should be quite simple. So let's take our notes, put them in here. So we're going to do for change in gain. We're going to do highest. It's going to be equal to 0, and we're going to say if change or highest plus change is greater than highest, then we're going to say highest is equal to, or highest plus equal change, and then we're just going to return change. Oh no, we're not going to return change. That's a lie. We're going to return highest. And we get the wrong answer. So the output was 6, but 1 was expected. Why is that? So if highest plus change is greater than highest, then we add it. Oh, oh, okay, yeah. So we're gonna have to. So either way, we're gonna have to. We need a current altitude as well. Current plus equal change, and then we can say if current, we can say if current is greater than highest, highest is equal to current. Let's give that a go. Those two test cases pass. Let's submit it and see what we get. Perfect. Those two test cases, or all the test cases passed. So that was fairly simple. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Or if you had a similar solution to this, which was maybe, simpler or more efficient or just different, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. Yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.